So let me show you guys how to download and install Gemma 4 in your Windows 11. So first you need to install Ollama. So Ollama is used to set up AI models locally. So first type Ollama and press enter. Click on the official link ollama.com. So from here, click download. So since you are downloading for Windows, click download for Windows and wait for a file to be downloaded. So our download is complete. So let's install Ollama. Right click and click open. Begin the installation process and minimize. So Ollama setup, click install and wait for Ollama to be installed on your Windows 11. So our installation is complete. So let's verify Ollama. So let's minimize here. Come to the search bar and type CMD and press enter. The command prompt type Ollama space -- version and press enter. And you can see that we have successfully downloaded and installed Ollama on our local system. So now let's install Gemma 4. So can minimize here. So go back to your browser for Ollama and click models. Scroll down. So we are downloading Gemma 4. So click it. Scroll down. So the latest version for Gemma, so you can see it's the latest one. So click it and copy this command. Go back to your command prompt and paste the command and press enter and wait for Gemma 4 to be downloaded. So our installation for Gemma 4 is complete. You can see it's successful. So that's how basically you can download and install Gemma 4 on your Windows 11. So when you launch Ollama, open Ollama, click new chart. So select a model. So scroll down and you can see that Gemma 4 is visible. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.